So today I'm reviewing personal capital that's now called Empower, and showing how you as investors can track their net worth the smart way. So before I show you the full dashboard, let me show you something surprising. Most people think their net worth is accurate, until one tiny setting inside Empower reveals they've been tracking it the wrong whole time. But first, here's what tool actually does. Empower connects all of your account in one place. Banking, credit cards, investments, and even loans. And it updates everything in real time. It's basically a full financial snapshot without you touching a spreadsheet. Now, here's the transformation moment. If you've ever linked accounts and numbers looked off, or your totals don't match your bank, there's one simple fix. Inside the settings, there's a refresh tool that forces Empower to repull your financial data instantly. Most beginners never use it, and it solves 90% of syncing issues. Next, the investment tools. Empower doesn't just show balance. It breaks down your portfolio by risk, fees, and allocation. And here's the part I didn't expect. It highlights hidden fees you didn't know you were paying for. For some people, that alone changes how they invest. And the best part is, once everything updates on the dashboard, you get a clean net worth chart that shows exactly where your money is going. Month by month, year by year, no guessing, no manual tracking. So that's it. That's my quick review of personal capital, powerful tracking, smart tools, and a hidden setting that makes a huge difference. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe for more simple US investing guides.